Hello, and as always, welcome at Dr. Jan Aesthetic. In today's video, we would like to advise you in order to prevent you from making a bad decision. Let me explain myself. Nowadays, there are maybe more than 750 businesses in hair transplant just in Istanbul. And even if most of them are regulated, unfortunately, there are still some scams out there. So let us give you 3 simple tips that will help you figure out a good establishment from a more suspicious one. First, you should always have information about the doctor of the company. If it has not been provided to you by the company already, you should ask about the role of the doctor in the operation or even his background. For example, at Dr. Jan Aesthetic, we always provide the diploma of the Dr. Jihanjan Jangir in order for our patients to know that he has a specialization in anesthesiology and reanimation on top of being an aesthetic specialist and having more than 10 years experience in hair transplant. Second point, you should always ask the same about the medical team. In fact, at Dr. Jan Aesthetic, our head surgical nurse has also more than 10 years experience in hair transplant. So why would we hide this fact from you? Why would we hide the fact that we work only with nurses? Well, some companies do not work with nurses and work with technicians instead, which means that they may have never received any medical knowledge by the past. So you should be aware of this. Finally, the third point is that you should also ask information about the room where the operation will be performed. In fact, hair transplant is a minor surgery, but it is still a surgery and it's about your health. So you should be aware if everything is sterilized, if the ventilation system has a bacteria filter, for example, so on and so forth. At Dr. Jan Aesthetic, we only work with JCI accredited hospitals. That is a guarantee that we are following these regulations and these standards. So if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us directly and our medical consultant will answer you.